Hello, lovelies. You're all welcome to Tolulicious Kitchen. My name is Tolu. Happy to have you with me today. Lovelies, we are making moi moi. This one is going to be prepared in a special way. It's going to be so easy, delicious, perfect for everything. I bet it you're going to love it. Those are the ingredients we'll be using today. What I have here are boiled eggs. I have tuned fish here. You can also use mackerel fish. I have onion sliced. What I have here are my boiled crayfish. So don't let us talk much. What I have in this bowl behind me are peeled beans, bell pepper, onions, habanero pepper, crayfish. All you need to do is to blend everything together. If you want to see how I peel those beans, please check the comment section. You're going to see the link on how to peel beans. Mix this very well in your blender. Let it be very well blended. Voila! After that, you get a pot. Let the seasoning you'll be using be in the pot. Add part of the salt you're going to be using into it. I'll be using this all-purpose seasoning. I'm using part of it. Add some water into it. Turn on your cooker and bring it to light warm. Heat it a bit up. You're not going to boil this. Let it be lukewarm, and you will notice that all the seasoning and salt will be fully dissolved in it. Now pour it into the blended beans mixture. It's now time to add my oil. I'm using vegetable oil at this stage. I use 2 big spoons of vegetable oil and 1 big spoon of palm oil. Yes, palm oil is optional, but I love the look it gives your moi moi. Now mix everything together. This is what you're going to have, all right? After mixing it well, it's very important. Taste for salt and adjust. All right, remember we added salt into the seasoning at the beginning. Taste for salt and make sure everything is perfect. After that, get your nylon. This one is nylon. You can get this if you have people who are coming from Nigeria or at your Afro shops here in diaspora. You can also get it. So add those is the obstruction, what do they call it? The boiled egg, crayfish, tunfish, onion. Add them into it and now roll it and tie it well. Leave a little space in the nylon. All right, this is how it should be. Look at it. Now repeat this process until you have everything in the nylon. Now get a pot, add some water at the down of it, and now be getting those moi moi in the nylon. We're gonna double cover it to be sure that it's going to be well cooked and nothing will happen to it. I always do that and it helps a lot. Even if there's anyone that will burst while cooking, you will notice that the second nylon is going to protect it. So you repeat this process by doubling the nylon like this before dropping it into the cooking pot. So you continue the same process until you double all the nylon before dropping them into the pot. After that, cover and boil for about 30 minutes on the medium heat. After that, you need to check it. Lovelies, this one is ready. Look at it. Do you like what you're seeing? Let's check it how it looks inside out. Wow. You need to be here. The aroma is super and the taste is so yummy. Thank you so much for watching. Shout out to RSK watching from Germany. Can you leave a comment? You might be the next on my shout out. See you next time. Bye bye.